Looking for the best digital kitchen scale that delivers accuracy you can trust every single time? In this video, I'll break down the top options that make cooking, baking, and meal prep easier and more precise. If you want smarter kitchen tools and honest reviews, hit subscribe and let's get started. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Nicewell Digital Kitchen Scale. The Nicewell Digital Kitchen Scale, a popular choice for home cooks who want accuracy without complication. This scale is designed with a sleek stainless steel surface and a clear, easy-to-read LCD display. It delivers precise measurements in multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, making it useful for baking, cooking, coffee brewing, and meal prep. The high-precision sensors respond quickly, so you get reliable results every time you place ingredients on the platform. One of the biggest pros is its accuracy and consistency. The tare function works smoothly, allowing you to zero out bowls and containers with one touch. It's also slim and lightweight, which makes it easy to store in a drawer or cabinet. The buttons are simple, and the display is bright enough to read in most kitchen lighting. As for cons, the surface can show fingerprints easily, and like most digital scales, it needs a flat surface for best results. It's also not designed for extremely heavy commercial use. Personally, I think my analysis is that this scale does exactly what most home kitchens need. It's fast, accurate, and user-friendly without unnecessary features. To use it, place the scale on a flat surface, turn it on, select your unit, and use the tare button before adding ingredients. This scale is great for home cooks, bakers, fitness-focused meal preppers, and anyone who values precision. If you're looking for a reliable digital kitchen scale that keeps things simple and accurate, this one is worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. The Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale is a compact and reliable tool designed to bring accuracy and simplicity into everyday cooking and baking. It features a sleek stainless steel surface with a clear LCD display, making it easy to read measurements at a glance. This scale supports multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, which is perfect for following both US and international recipes. One of the biggest advantages is its precise measurement performance. Whether you're weighing flour for baking, ingredients for meal prep, or portions for a healthy diet, the Etekcity scale delivers consistent results. The tare function is another strong plus, allowing you to subtract the weight of containers instantly and focus only on the ingredients. On the downside, this scale is designed for countertop use, so it's not ideal for weighing very large or heavy items. Also, while it's durable for daily kitchen tasks, it should be handled with care like any electronic device. Using it is simple: place it on a flat surface, turn it on, select your unit, and start measuring. That's it. Overall, the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale is a great choice for home cooks, bakers, fitness-focused users, and anyone who values accuracy in the kitchen. See the description for more details. Number 3. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale, a simple but reliable tool designed for everyday cooking and baking. This scale features a clean, compact design with a clear digital display that's easy to read at a glance. It measures ingredients accurately in multiple units, making it useful for everything from baking recipes to portion control and meal prep. The platform is sturdy, easy to clean, and fits well on almost any kitchen counter. Pros include consistent accuracy, quick response time, and very straightforward operation. The tare function works smoothly, allowing you to zero out bowls or containers with one button press. On the downside, it's not packed with advanced features, and the platform size may feel a bit small for very large bowls. In real-world use, this scale does exactly what most home cooks need: no learning curve, no complications. Just place it on a flat surface, turn it on, select your unit, and start weighing. Personally, I think it's a solid choice for home cooks, bakers, fitness-focused users, and anyone who wants dependable measurements without extra complexity. See the description for more details. Number 4. BOMATA Digital Kitchen Scale. The BOMATA Digital Kitchen Scale, a compact and reliable tool designed to bring accuracy into your everyday cooking and baking. This scale is built for precision. It measures ingredients quickly and clearly, helping you get consistent results whether you're baking, meal prepping, or tracking portions. The flat surface is easy to clean, and the bright digital display makes reading simple to see, even in low light. It also includes a tare function, so you can subtract the weight of bowls and containers with one button press. Pros include its accurate measurements, user-friendly controls, clear display, and a slim design that doesn't take up much counter space. A small inconvenience is it's designed for kitchen use only, so it's not meant for heavy or industrial weighing. In my analysis, this scale stands out for everyday home use. It's easy to use, just turn it on, place your container, press tare, and start measuring. Overall, the BOMATA digital kitchen scale is a solid choice for home cooks, bakers, fitness-focused users, and anyone who values precision in the kitchen. See the description for more details. Number 5. Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale, a simple but powerful tool designed for accuracy and everyday cooking. This scale is built with a clean, modern design and a clear backlit display that's easy to read at a glance. It delivers precise measurements, making it great for baking, portion control, meal prep, and even coffee brewing. The touch-sensitive buttons feel responsive, and the tare function lets you zero out containers in seconds for hassle-free weighing. Pros include excellent accuracy, a slim profile that's easy to store, and a sturdy platform that handles both small and larger ingredients with confidence. It's also very beginner-friendly. On the downside, it doesn't include advanced smart features, and the surface may need occasional wiping to keep it spotless. In real-world use, this scale performs reliably and consistently, which is exactly what most home cooks need. It's ideal for bakers, fitness-focused users, and anyone who wants better control in the kitchen. Overall, the Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale focuses on doing the basics extremely well, and that's its biggest strength. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.